Stock market. Hello, welcome to youtube.com/stock market expert. My name is Robert Hutchinson, and today we're going to talk about how to get a 300 to 4,000% return on your investment when it comes to stocks on the internet. Okay, first thing you need to know, people. First, most important part of the stock market, there's one secret information that you should know, is that when a company sells a product, like Apple as an example, when Apple sells a new iWatch, like I have right here, this is my iWatch. When Apple comes out with a new iWatch in 2020, which will be the Series 5 probably, you will probably see a 2 to 10% increase in their stock on that day that they come out with that product. Now, that's a great example, people, of why in stock market, at least, as far as trading goes, as far as your stocks that you buy and sell goes, that would be a great day to invest in Apple stock, because when sales increase in stores, on every Apple store around the U.S. or around the world, then the stock market goes up for that stock, people. As an example, let's say a lot of people are buying gas for your cars on a specific day for travel, like in the winter or in the summer. You'll see an increase in oil stock during the summertime because people are buying more oil, or during the winter as well too. Okay, so you want to think, people, what are commodities like oil, like coffee, for example too, like Starbucks coffee, what are the peak moments of the year where people are going to be buying that specific product the most? And that's when your stock is going to go up, people, and you'll see a drastic increase, or 2 to 10% increase in stock in that day, people. Okay, also some great things to know too. Investing in Bitcoin is a smart thing as well too. And I have another channel for that on my Facebook channel as well for that too. Now let's get back to stocks, people. Okay, some other tips I can tell you about stocks is you want to look for market trends. You want to look for the dipping up and dipping down of the market, if you will. Also, you want to pay attention to new products coming out with each one of these companies too, people. If your stock has a product that's coming out, as example, Apple comes out with a new phone, or Samsung comes out with a new phone. I saw Samsung came out with this new flip phone that turns into a tablet as well as a phone at the same time too. When that product launches sometime this next year in 2019, or sometime this year in 2019, you will probably see an increase in stock value with Samsung once that product is launched, and then people buy it. Okay? The more products people buy from a company, the higher up your stock value is going to go, people. The more sales they get, the more sales they generate, the more high value the value of the stock is going to go. It'll be 1%, 2%, up to 10%, maybe possibly even more. And then you got to think about this too. What are investors doing when it comes to stock, people? This is why I'm the stock market expert, okay? What are the investors doing? Is Bill Gates going to invest in something? Is Mark Zuckerberg going to invest in something? You got to think about these things, people, when it comes to stocks. Because if big investors are putting large amounts of money into a company, or buying out a company, or selling a new service at a company, then you're going to see an increase in stock value as well too. This is all valuable information, people, when it comes to buying and selling stocks. I hope you learned something. Again, this is youtube.com/stock market expert. My name is Robert Hutchinson. Okay? If you have any questions, send us an email or look at the information below this video, and I'll tell you some more great stock tips on how to get a 300 to 4,000% return on your investment with the stock market, okay? Thank you for watching my video.